Okay, I have a quick fun effect to share with you today that will make you look like an absolute card wizard. Okay, so for this you can begin with a shuffled deck of cards, and then you can hand it to the spectator actually. And so what we need is we just need 4 random red cards and 4 random black cards. Okay, and it truly doesn't matter what cards these are. Okay. So, a couple of jacks, that's okay, but they're all red. That's the key. So red cards and 4 random black. Okay. And then you just have the spectator tell you how to stack these. Maybe left on right, that's fine. It's a free choice. And now we're going to deal out the cards into 2 piles with random stacking decided by the spectator. You want left on right? Okay. We'll do it a second time just to begin to really mix these. You want left on right again or right on left this time? You want left on right again. Okay, that's just fine. And now we're going to spell a couple of powerful words in card magic. The first pair is mixing colors, which is what we've been doing here, and we're going to do more of it in just a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and just spell mixing, M-I-X-I-N-G, mixing colors. C-O-L-O-R-S, mixing colors. Okay. Well, to help you see that cards are being mixed by color, let's go ahead and just deal out into 2 piles. Now I need you to point to either pile. We're going to flip either one of these. Which of these would you want flipped? Right one? Okay. How would you like these stacked? Left on right. Okay. Now we can do one of those like I've done, or many of them. So when you go to do this, you truly can deal out into 2 piles with random flipping of either one, random stacking. Do that once or 29 times or however many times you want. Another one we're going to do is, it's called the Australian Down Under. And you probably have seen this before. So you go down, under, down, last one goes on top. But if you think about it, we haven't really mixed any cards face up and face down more than they were already. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a down, under, left, down, under, right, down, under, left. So you just go left and right with the down, under. Which of these would you like flipped? The right one? Oh, I've about lost them there. Right one? How would you like these stacked? Left on right. Okay, very good. And then maybe we'll just do a couple more. This is the Klondike Shuffle. So this is where you take the top and bottom cards off as one. And then to give us an opportunity to mix the cards up, facing, down facing, why don't we go ahead and do a left-right Klondike. Which of these would you like flipped? The left one, okay? Now how would you like these stacked? Left on right, okay? Very good. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to undo our mixing of colors. And the way that we'll do that is we'll just spell 2 words. One word is divide. The other word is colors. Okay? So D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. C-O-L-O-R-S, divide colors. Okay. How would we know if we succeeded? Well, all we need to do to check our success is to deal out the cards into 2 piles, a left pile and a right. So I'm going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. What do you think the chances are that we were able to separate those colors yet again because you saw them being mixed thoroughly, face up, face down? Well, let's just take a look here. Well, we can see we have a couple of reds there. And then what do we have here? A couple of unknowns, 4 unknowns, I guess. So let's just take a look at this one. Okay, that's black. What about this one? Oh, that's red. This is looking good here. What about this one here? Oh, that's black. That's black. Okay, it's coming down to these 2 final cards. We're just hoping this is black and hoping that this is red. Let's take a look. Oh, it is black, which by elimination would mean the other red jack is sitting right there. That is amazing. Okay, so if you do this as performed, this will work for you every time. There's far more mixing you could do if you're familiar with Bessie sequences of order 8, which is what we used here. We could have mixed that packet face up and face down in hundreds of different ways. I just showed you a few, and those mixing procedures that I showed you here today, you can actually perform them in any order, in any quantity. So you can perform them as many times as you like. Spectator can decide all of that. And then to separate the cards, you just spell out divide colors, and then left, right, deal, and you'll end up separating the colors perfectly. Okay, and I'll add a link in the description below to Bessie sequences, which is what's driving this. It's allowing the cards to be mixed in so many different ways without utterly losing track of the structure of the packet. So take a look at the playlist below and the many applications also all list below of this wonderful discovery in mathematical card magic. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.